Welcome to our Simmental Bull Breeding Center. Here you can see how we care for and manage these powerful bulls. We're focusing on giving one of them a refreshing wash and grooming before the day's activities. We gently guide the bull out of his pen and secure him safely. Before starting the wash, we carefully trim the excess hair and tidy up the tail. This grooming step helps keep the bull cleaner, healthier, and more comfortable during daily care. After trimming, we move on to spraying water over the bull's entire body. By wetting the coat thoroughly, we loosen dust, dirt, and loose hair that may be stuck to the skin. Taking time to wet the bull properly ensures a smoother and more comfortable washing process for this powerful animal. After that, we evenly spread the washing powder over the bull's entire body, making sure it reaches all areas of the coat. This step prepares the bull's coat for a deep and thorough cleaning. Next, we move on to water and lather, scrubbing the bull's body with a special long toothbrush. We take this step carefully and make every effort to ensure that no part of the bull is missed. In this scene, we clean the bull's hooves using a brush. They are usually sensitive when it comes to washing their head, but we need to handle them in a way that makes them feel calm and allows us to wash their head. Maintaining a clean environment while grooming the bull is essential for hygiene and safety. After the final lathering and thorough brushing, we move on to the final rinse and washing off all the foam. Here you can see the bull's skin after a thorough cleaning. It's smooth, healthy, and completely free of dirt and foam. In the final step, we carefully dry the bulls by brushing their coats. This process ensures that every part of their body is completely dry, removing any remaining moisture. Taking the time to do this step properly leaves the bulls comfortable, clean, and looking their best. After finishing the grooming, the bull's hooves are disinfected before it is allowed to return to its pen. We have returned the bull to its pen, and now it's time for lunch. We need to prepare a tasty and nutritious meal for our bulls. For their meal, we prepare a carefully balanced mix of hay, silage, concentrate, and supplemental powders. Each component provides essential nutrients: hay and silage for fiber and digestion, concentrate for energy, and the supplements to ensure the bulls get all the vitamins and minerals they need. This combination helps keep our bulls healthy, strong, and ready for their daily activities. Proper nutrition is key to their growth and well-being, and seeing them enjoy their meal is the perfect way to end the day. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more videos about our bulls and farm life.